I took over a year off and cut you bitches some slack. Tell a friend to tell a friend. She's back.
I heard you looking for me, bitch, I ain't hard to find. I went in my A to elevate my fucking mind. See, now I'm back and I ain't stopping this time. I'm finna remind you bitches who forgot about the dime. But wait, oh, you ain't rapping cause I stopped, you's a lost hope. Oh, you ain't dropping till I drop, bitch, I thought so. See how you hate me, but you follow my lead. If you ain't take out this from me, bitch, you wouldn't succeed. But fuck it, let's talk about these niggas. Man, they so fucking messy. You wanna gossip like a bitch, I'ma call you Bessie. I can't get wet for no nigga who got two faces. Use that energy to grind and get some blue faces. I bet a hater somewhere listening to me turn up. I bet them hoes still mad and I don't give a fuck. I bet you thought I was done when I fell back. This my brother crown hoe, let me get that. And everybody shut the fuck up when you hear me speak. I'm done being nice, ho, you cannot play with me. See, I be making money, woke and make it when I sleep. And if I drop it on your face, that's a real beat. So fuck your makeup artist, bitch, I got that real heat. Without them lashes and that filter, bitch, you out of there. Take that wig off, let me see your real hair. And everywhere I go, boss, niggas stop and stare. But I'm not easily impressed, I don't even care. Fuck your horny engineer and fuck your video man. I told him put me in the booth and he thought I was playing. You gave me the runaround, bitch, you know I'm the man. And we can't never work together, ho, I still got a plan. What's up? They wanna fuck in exchange for a photo shoot.